Hey folks, we're continuing the study for prepaid revenue. It is the second type of adjusting entry. We did prepaid expenses a minute ago. Now you're going to do prepaid revenue. Okay, so the definition of prepaid revenue is you've received some money, you've recorded it as a liability because you have not earned the revenue. And remember, the only time we record revenue in the accrual basis of accounting is when you have earned the revenue. So if you get money before you earn it, you have to record it as a liability because you owe somebody some work. So our original entry is going to be a debit to cash. And again, you have a new account called unearned revenue. And that account is a liability account. It is not a revenue account. So make sure that you know that because you will be tested on it on more than one occasion. All right. When we earn the revenue, we need to make an adjusting entry to take it out of the liability and put it into the revenue. So if we do not make the appropriate adjusting journal entry at the end of the period, then our liabilities are too high because we've got the full amount on the balance sheet and we have not taken any of it out after we earn it. If we do not make the adjusting entry, our revenues are understated because we never recorded them. So our adjusting entry is going to debit unearned revenue, a liability account, and it's going to credit revenue, which is a revenue account. So here's an example. Let's say we receive some cash of $1,200 on October 2nd. This is a prepayment for services to be performed or to be rendered by December 31 of year one. And we're in October. So on October 2nd, we're going to make a journal entry to debit cash and credit our liability account, unearned revenue of $1,200. By the end of October, the company has earned 1/3 of the $1,200. So 1/3 of the $1,200 is $400, so we have our dollar amount. Our adjusting entry, because now we have earned some of that, we can decrease our liability with a debit, unearned revenue, and increase our revenue with a credit to revenue of the $400. Okay? That takes care of prepaid revenues. Again, you want to learn, memorize, be able to write this entire chart before you take a test. All righty, see you in a minute. Bye.